What's the question?
Why is 2021 and people are happy?
It's a new year. I don't know, John, how I can answer this question.
For a little bit.
I'll do one more right here.
Huh?
This is big question, John. It's a new year. Nobody asked me a question like that. How I can explain you that? Oh, okay, maybe I don't know how to explain that. To understand the year, you know what's happened?
The earth spins.
Yeah, the earth turning around himself in 24 hours.
24
And
hours?
this is one day. And the sun is right here. So what's going, if the earth is here, it's turning around himself like that one day, another day, another day, and to make a complete turn is 365 days and some hours, seconds, something like that. And that's why it's you are the earth. So you keep spending one day, another one day, you make complete, and this is the sun. And you are right here, it's 365 days and some seconds. So yeah, this is a year. You understand why you asked me this question? Yeah. Yeah. So you go like that, you come by 1 year, another 1 year, another 1 year, another 1 year, another 1 year. That's the way it works. And you are a 5 years boy. So what's happened? You make a complete turn around the sun 1 time, 2 times. Yeah, you turn 6 soon. You're not 6 yet. So that's why you turn already 5th time around the sun. That's why you make reference for a year. So today is 2021. So it's mean we turn last time 20 turn is finished around sun, make complete round. So that's why you talk about it.
Oh.
You understand now? It's hard question, John. You ask me a lot of hard question like that.
Hey, my name is John. What is Chrology? Chrology is the science of all science. Chrology is the science of universe. If you have any question, send it to me. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye-bye.
Welcome to John Chanel and welcome to our lab. In John Chanel we talk 100% about sciences from elementary level to our extreme level. We love sciences, we study sciences, we teach sciences, and we share sciences. John invites you to subscribe to his channel for more learning on next topics. John is a 5-year-old boy, and because of him this channel is available to share Chrology new view of universe. We keep developing Chrology for many years and how John push for his channel. John was curious and remarkably interesting in science, since his 3 years following his father. In 2019 when his dad officially published his 18 years of deep science research many people interesting and involved developing his great scientific work and discovery on new view of universe. John pushed extremely hard his dad to make a channel for him on science, technology, and to explain Chrology. It was not approved at the beginning because his father is involved in many sciences research and did not have time. John pushed extremely hard again and finally dad agreed to satisfy him, and today John have his channel to share with you a lot and very surprising and extreme knowledge in sciences.
Hi, my name is John. Subscribe to my channel. Why we like science.
You are going to learn a lot of remarkably simple and extremely complicated questions with this new channel. John Chanel is unique and use all our scientific progress in universe to tackle a simple and extreme questions and facts of universe for information and education. John Channel is also for fan feel relax with open mind to learn everything we can in universe. Subscribe and thank you for your attention. My name is Ulrich Nalira Rotom. I am a researcher in physics and cosmology. Thank you for your question from Farmington, New Mexico. How Chrology can explain Chrology, dark matter and expansion of universe. To explains and understand the place and existence of dark matter or expansion of universe. Chrology use completely new and innovative methods to attack the problems, to it is roots to solves it we will publish our work in scientific community. But before to dig into this complex physics and understanding of facts, let us make it clear. Chrology is the science of universe. Chrology is the unifications of all our knowledge into one single approach named physics chrologic or Chrology, Chrology science of all sciences. Let us go back to our basic science. Talking about sciences, we need to present a concrete fact with concrete solutions verifiable everywhere. This is one foundation of sciences by our community and our presence on Earth to learn, studies and understand the facts, the mysteries of existence in all universe. This is our secret and our no contestations in our different scientific communities. But when I try to dig deeply in different facts in universes, most of existence and facts that compose universes are not available to us, and will not satisfy this convention. They cannot be present and understandable everywhere and always put us in terrible situations. Consequences, we always revive and contest most of our understanding about deep concept of total universe. These will be developed more in Chrology 2nd edition in scientific version. Let us push it more to understand. In 5th edition of Chrology we tried to calculate chronologically the total mass of universe, and we demonstrated. But we cannot share all these new conceptions of understanding, or the new view of universe in this video. Chrology used these methods to tackle the deep understanding of universe, but there is a major problem. If we tried to catch the profound comprehension of all existences in universe, we never going to solve his deep secret that he allows us to reach with all our conventions in our scientific communities and so on. We will just explain a limited part of his existence, and never go further to catch his complete secret. Consequences, we are evolving from theories to theories, from contestations to contestations, from strange mysteries to strange mysteries, from inexplicable facts to inexplicable facts in universe and so on. When I pushed again more to understand on top of all these, it was not at the door of all our disciplines, and those took me to go through and dig deeply several works and phenomena on different eras of our eras of existences and evolutions with serious and various questions, to no more face the original realities the universe possess in its immense way. I remember 20 years ago, I faced many challenge and complex situations around world when I tried to dig for more understanding and to explain some misunderstanding and some misrepresentation of universe by human, because if we let us simply and keep observing the different complex facts and existence of universe, it has appeared to be very confused and very strange to our interpretations. But there is good news, it's appeared to be in very simple interpretation to explain everything. Unfortunately, we complicated his interpretation and view as his complex facts and phenomena confuse us, but as men on planet Earth, we always use our selfish that is present in humanity and also parts of this component to misrepresent and force everything in our need and interest and so on to show. Unfortunately, our composition with time factor is very short compared to all these complex existences of all. This is most important and a main basic push during our research that 16 years ago opened light to first principle of Chrology to keep developing. I went through several documents, several works of great scientists, geniuses, writers, great philosophers, chemists and physicists, mathematicians, great universal conventions, laws of domination, different scientific disciplines, artistic, literary, religious, several facts that we cannot explain now, etc. to conduct my quests. The pressure is
My name is John. Subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye, Chrology.
It's exceedingly difficult to be free and enter this broad field of cosmological visions to understand it with a simple law. I remember when I was in university studying mathematics, physics and chemistries, and the incredibly sad situations I got from my quantum mechanic professor and other. That always fought to kill my high curiosity and the high energy I got to keep pushing for extreme questions and extreme envy to understand their courses, that they were unavailable to answers most interesting questions I asked and convert their answers to hate, to dislike, selfish and to destroy me. These trained me and helped me a lot to know and to separate from men that will block or kill your high curiosity, etc. Because as men we never stop positive effort to searching for understanding in this world all natural concepts. In my complex quests, I understood the misrepresentation, the complex, the disdains, selfish, insolence, audacity, disrespect, effrontery, and the behaviors of men in different academics to put himself in position to be the higher and the only to know everything just because of his academics field, etc. These situations I faced and be victims from all the place I passed through and during my complex quest. But there are a simple and clear answers that many people do not like to hear. All these ignorances and all these nonsenses explain nothing compared to the quote of complex understanding all universe. We must put our differences away to work strongly and honestly together to be as one, to focus, to go further in our meaning and existence in this complex presence of all that this great genius of all the time put our presence, and allow us to catch his understanding in our exceedingly small scale. I finally created a tunnel in which I feel free, and I allowed myself to go further, with the thought, and the mathematical tools and the different confines of all our different systems and existences in the universe, which are governed by extraordinarily complex natural laws, facts, and remarkably simple natural laws. I was never wanting to be specialized in one field of study for this complex quest, because I will be limited explaining a remarkably simple and extremely limited facts in universe that will push me to absurd trying to represent all universe and to selfish. It was a huge, complex, and remarkably high diversify work I did to put everything humanity possesses as knowledge, and to compare to the scale of this inexplicable existence of all universe. Chrology is at his birth and will be the models that allow us to attack the deep and complex understanding of all existence in different scales of universe. We need more scientists, literers, philosophers, anyone in his workshop that find interest to join us to develop together. Sometimes I ask myself questions: how can I explain to humanity this extraordinary reading and understanding of universe? Chrology is an extreme sciences, an extreme explanation of everything we possess into one single model. This is one of his purpose. It put everything together, and the facts of chrology are clear and accessible to everybody on earth to explain the accessibility of all universe to us as human. Chrology allows us and to open light, to discover most hide and complex secret of universe that was never told and never understood with our standard methods. Even it is just at our door to see and to discover. Chrology will bring to extreme and extraordinary innovations. We are preparing the big conference to public for facts and demonstrations. Follow us to get update on places and timing, or write us on chrology@outlook.com if you want to join us. Also follow us to get our next publication this year on Why Chrology Explains Everything. Thank you for your attention.
Hi, my name is Sean. What is Chrology? Chrology is science of all science. Chrology is science of universe. If you have any question, send it to me. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye-bye.